Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce tax liabilities with TurboTax, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reduce tax liabilities using TurboTax, start by gathering all necessary documents. Collect your W-2 forms, 1099s, and any other income statements. Have your previous year's tax return handy for reference? Log into your TurboTax account or create a new account if you don't have one. Choose the version of TurboTax that best suits your needs. Start by entering your personal information, including name, address, and social security number. Navigate to the income section to input your wages and other earnings. Make sure to include any freelance or side gig income. Next, move to the deductions and credits section. Identify potential deductions such as student loan interest, mortgage interest, and medical expenses. Input any relevant data based on your documents. Consider claiming the standard deduction or itemizing, depending on which offers a greater benefit. Explore available tax credits, such as the Earned Income Credit or the Child Tax Credit. Keep an eye out for deductions that align with your profession or business. If you are self-employed, take advantage of business expense deductions. TurboTax will guide you through deductions specific to your work. Continue to the investment income section, if applicable, to report dividends and capital gains. Review the tax implications of any retirement account contributions. Once all entries are complete, TurboTax will present your potential tax refund or liability. Take the time to review the information entered for accuracy. Use the built-in audit check feature to identify any potential red flags. Make adjustments as necessary before finalizing your return. File your return electronically for a faster processing time. Consider setting up direct deposit to receive your refund quickly. Finally, keep a copy of your return and all supporting documents for your records. Following these steps with TurboTax can help you effectively reduce your tax liabilities. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.